What up, YouTube? So today I'm gonna start working on the Honda, like my little update short. I'm fixing some rust. This is where we're at with rust. I started on that side. It's not 100% perfect. I don't need it to be 100% perfect. I just need it to stop leaking in. So let's get into it. This is not gonna be 100% of a how-to video like we normally do. It's gonna be something quick because I'm learning too. So I'm gonna be figuring out things as we go. I have my other camera set up ready to just go over some time lapses. If I see anything that's important, I will stop and let you guys know on what I'm doing or what I figured out to try to stop it from happening. This is everything I'm using. My Dremel, some Dremel bits, Bondo primer, and a sander. Okay, the one tip I am going to tell you that I've been watching everywhere. Find out where your rust starts and where it ends. So take down to bare metal, go as far as you can, and work that area. Something where I feel like I just didn't waste time. Something I look back and say that was a great time. Cause man, I just hate when the years pass by the wayside. As you can see, my sander stopped working. That's the bottom, what it's supposed to stick to. So, time to go to the Dremel. Parts with the Dremel. Turn it off slow. So, this is where I'm at so far. As you see, still a lot of rust. I'm going to take the shop vac and try to get all those little rust pieces out of there and vacuum that up. Then I'm going to come back and clean this rust some more. But like I was saying, my pad decided to stop working on me, so my sander. So I'm having to use my Dremel. So it's alright, I'm at that point where I should be using my Dremel anyways. So yeah, I'm going to vacuum it out. Alright, and that's where I'm at so far. Everything looks good. I'm gonna wipe it down with a rag, get all this dust off of here, put some like isopropyl alcohol, and I'm gonna start doing the Bondo. But it's looking good so far, guys. There's still a little bit of shit that I can't get out. I've tried like deep down in there. There's some rust. I can't fit anything down there. I tried the shop vac, but and all the way back there, there's still a little bit of rust from the drain hole. So that also might all come out since I'm probably going to reskin the whole roof anyways. I just need it to last me for a couple drag days and stuff like that, so I finished the whole build. And each kit that you get from one of these come with like a little wire mesh so you could block off a big hole, and it helps the Bondo to stick. I forgot to mention that, but get it as flat as possible. The Bondo will fill the rest. So from my experience from doing Bondo over there, this stuff cures fast. Grab a nice piece of cardboard, your Bondo, start mixing it. So what you want to do is you want to add as enough Bondo as you need, which for something like that would probably be about 3 inches around. 3 inches from here, 3 inches from here. Then the hardening cream, I just do 1 layer up top. So something like that. Then take your hardener, 1 little line up top, not much. Then you start to mix. Mix. You don't whip it like you're making a pancake. Fold it into each other. Sorry guys, I guess my camera died. Well, I got everything situated. Now it's just time for sanding. I didn't realize my camera died, and my GoPro was not turned on because I was barely using it. I was trying to solely use this camera. But I'm gonna get back to sanding and go from there. Like I said, guys, this isn't gonna be perfect. It's just gonna be something temporarily. Like, I'm getting rid of the sunroof, and I'm probably gonna reskin the whole top anyways. I'm just trying to stop the rust from spreading and getting into my interior. So let me go get the sander. I'm over here trying to work with a sander that decided to detach from each other. So bear with me, everything isn't gonna look perfect. Like I said, it's not gonna look perfect, so I'm just gonna probably do it like this. What this whole life's about, yeah. It's not the goal, it's the journey. Wasted emotion is worry. I'll stop being in a hurry and just enjoy. You gotta use what you have. That thing died. That thing's broke, so luckily this was sitting out here and it folds just fine. So the first pass was 80, then I went to 120, now I'm on 220. Going out a little bit further because I am going to be putting the primer on, so I kind of want to get it all the way up here. Now I'm going to go into this crack right here and get as much out as I can. Again, I am not trying to make this look perfect. Just need to stop the water. That's all I need to do. Stop the water from coming in. Stop the rust from spreading. Go on one of my lowest settings. All I'm doing is taking off the excess. Now that I got my holes covered, I just want the excess off. And I want to try to at least smooth it down as much as I can. So when I do spray over, or if I decide to like wrap the car, at least there isn't a whole bunch of waves. So I don't need Bondo all the way over here. I don't need Bondo down here. I need Bondo on the holes, and Bondo on this hole. Give you guys a better point of view of what I'm doing. See all this extra Bondo right there? All I'm doing is taking it down. So I could try to match what that looks like. I don't need all of that. My hole was here and my hole was there. And just like that, the holes are gone. It isn't the smoothest, but guys gotta remember, this comes in, oh, this is the other side, comes in and covers most of it. So I'm gonna keep working on this edge right here, but I'm pretty much just gonna call it there. Like that's good to me. This isn't a show car. This is gonna be something you take down to this track. This is gonna be my track car. Just need water to stop getting in. All right, now let's clean it off and paint it. What I do is I take this extra paper that I have laying around from the mixing up, and I try to slide it in here, just like that, right underneath, right under the gasket, so at least I'm kind of protecting my window. Take a towel, cover up this window. Whoop. gonna start paint. And I'm gonna get another tack towel and wipe it down. What I do is I take a little bit of isopropyl alcohol, wash that area down. Oh shit. Please guys, don't make this a step-by-step on how it's done. Again, this is not a step-by-step, not even close. This is, let's just get it done. Alright, I got my first coat on. I am noticing I missed a spot here and a little spot there. So before I do paint or anything like that, I'll probably go down and sand it again, put more primer. But for right now, I don't care. I like it. This looks good to me. If we look at my other side, it's the same thing. I just filled it in and just made it good enough. That's all it needs to be, is just good enough. All right, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new here, this is my budget build Honda Civic. We started off with a max speeding rods turbo kit on a D16 Z6. I completely gutted the interior. It is an automatic car that we are swapping over to manual. And we're gonna see how far we could take this little single jingle to on a budget. The budget I has settled on is gonna be $2,000. So far we have $600 for the turbo kit, $200 for the trans, $30 for all the rust repair, and the seats and gutting is free. The clutch is coming in. I got a clutch and flywheel coming in. That is gonna be that is $500, and we're waiting on the third pedal. Actually, I'm waiting for all 3 pedals to come in, and that'll be almost it. After that, I need to order a chip. I was thinking about going to Honda, doing the S300 or SV300. I forget, whatever Honda is, or finding maybe a different chip and getting it tuned. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to keep watching this build, it's going to be something fun. And if you have a budget in mind, ask away in the comments, and I'll give you the best advice of my knowledge of what to do. All right, guys.